welcome back to part 11 of the debuild rebuild, where we do something different. You get it? Did you like it?
No.
So on the debuild rebuild, we're going to rebuild the swivel hubs and the brakes and bits and pieces like that.
Oh, I get it. Diffs.
Diffs. Oh, now he gets the dad joke. Righto. So what we're going to try and do is, on Marketplace, these diff assemblies come up. End up scoring front and rear diff assemblies with ARB lockers in them. This diff assembly, they need the swivel hubs rebuilt, so we might as well spend the money on some diffs that have got lockers in them. Alright, big fella, put the stands under. You got it up high enough?
With the Patrol all jacked up, now we're going to start pulling apart the front end.
Good work, champs. We're almost there. We're ready to pull the diff assembly out. What's going on down here, big fella?
Just pulling it up.
All right.
Dad, who's that person over there?
Uh-oh. All right. What do we do when there's a clean shirt here, mate?
Smoke go.
Righto. Smoko! Good idea, mate. These bickies go all right. What's the next step?
I don't know.
Pull out the dip.
Which one?
The rear.
Alright, we'll sort it out, get that front one into place, and then we'll get into it. Come on, guys! 45 minutes of Smoko is long enough.
Oh.
You go down on your jack, go down. You got hold up there. No, wriggle. Okay, hold on. Corey, you come pull that jack. Pull it up. Okay, stop. Wiggle that out. Wiggle that out. Okay, good work. We got the diff out. Go grab the other one and we'll show them the difference that we had with the front springs. So we had a height difference between the left and right, but we didn't know which side to put these springs in originally. So these are standard springs. It's got a bit of a pink dot on that one. This one here's got the purple dot on it. So what we'll do is we'll switch them over from left to right. Oh, you big horse. Pull it. Bring it over and see what we need. Before we put it under there, big fella, let's strip it off. Make it a bit easier for ourselves. Show the people at home the radius arm bushes, how they're flogged out.
See?
That'd give you some death wobbles, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, righto. Get the spanners, we'll strip off what we can and go from there.
Yeah.
my side. Okay, you reckon we're going to fit? Nah. We're going to have to drop them down or put it on the rims, I reckon. Yeah. Hold up. Making a mission out of this, aren't we? Righto, bring it in. Alright. Roughly lined up. That'll do, that'll do. Well, we've got it in. Well, in place anyway for now.
I reckon we should do a lift kit like this, Dad.
A lift kit like this? Bloody hell. We need bigger wheels.
Yeah.
Since we left off fitting the front diff assembly, we've gone down to the tyre shop, got a couple of tyres removed, bit of hair removed. Anyway, with the tyres removed, hopefully it makes it easier for us to pull this rear diff out. We've got most of it disassembled. What have we got to go, mate?
The tail shaft, brake lines, and shock absorbers.
Alright, let's get into it, eh? That's it, that's it. Righto. Wheel out the way. Where's that nut? Got the nut. You want to do it down there? Okay, go. Okay. You need a hand with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Got the bolts back in where they came out. That's it, well done. Cool. Got that bolt out. Oh, stuck there. Alright, we'll get the hammer. Holding your tongue right there, mate.
Yep.
Good work, getting the brake lines off, eh?
Yeah.
Line locker up there.
It's good for burnouts.
Good for burnouts, is it?
Yep.
Go. Let it down, mate. Watch out, watch out. Let it go down. Go down. That's it, go down.
Let it go, Corey.
Let it go down. Down, down, down. That's it, good work. Let it go into their cradle. Okay, grab the spring out. Grab the spring. Okay, hold on. How you going over there? Can you grab that one? I'll come give you a hand. Hold on. Wow, look at you go. No wonder you got big muscles. Show us your muscles. Oh. Okay, go. Pull it out. Oh, we're stuck on that shock absorber, are we? Alright, that's right. Spin it around. Pull it out. Pull on your side. Stop. Okay. Right, we'll pull that. Hey?
Mace is pushing the wrong way.
He's pushing the wrong way. Hold on. No, we need to spin it around anyway. It's okay. Alright, cool. Go, go, go. That's it. Good work. That's it. Whew. Okay. Dirty thumbs up. We're going to wrap it up there. What have we got to do next?
To suspension.
Yeah, we'll fit the suspension next. You get it in there?
No, I can't get in the hole.
Ah, that'll be your life story, mate.
What do you mean?
And after that, what else do we have to fit?
Got the rear diff.
Put the rear diff in. And what else?
Subscribe if you feel like it.
Yeah, subscribe if you feel like it. If you enjoyed our video, throw us a thumbs up. Alright. Yeah, take it easy.